Welcome back. Fatorda Block Congress President has claimed that some unknown person stormed their office at Fatorda. He suspects that some of the opponents of Desai must have stormed the office.
Fatorda Block Congress Committee's office was damaged on Thursday night. Window panes were damaged and board of the office was torn. President of Fatorda Block Congress Committee, Joseph Silva, said that such incidents have taken place in the past also.
जे दिसासन हे ऑफिस फोडला ते दिसासन हे आमच्या ऑफिसाचेर अटॅक जावपाक लागले. फाटीं जाले आमचे विजय सरदेसायाचे बॅनरूय कोणी पिंजले. थोडे दिसा फाटीं पयलीं आमी बोलशे सर्कलाचो कोणी एक पुतळो फोडलेलो आनी तिसरो इन्सिडंट जाल्यार आमच्या ऑफिसाचेर जाला अटॅक. आयज कोणी तरी राती म्हाका दिसता कोणी तरी ऑपोजिशन ऑफ फातोर मारला आमच्या ऑफिसाचेर.
He suspects that some of the opponents of GPCC General Secretary and aspirant candidate from Fatorda, Vijay Desai, must have damaged the office.
ते बिले आसतले फॉर द असेंब्ली कमिंग असेंब्ली पोल इलेक्शनाक. ते हेवूय जावपाक शकता विजयाची आतां पॉप्युलरिटी चड जाल्ली आनी फातोर्डा. सो तेंच्यांनी ऑलरेडी एक्सेप्ट केलां की ते आपूण हारले म्हूण आनी विजय फातोर्डा जिखलो येस म्हूण. सो तेका लागून ते हे आमच्या ऑफिसाचेर अटॅक करताय.
He also said that they have filed a complaint with Margaon police. Our reporter from Fatorda, Sameer Bhatt.
And now news from sports. Defending champions India overcame a tough challenge from Maldives to enter the finals of SAFF Cup. Playing the semi-finals on a foggy evening in New Delhi, India won by 3-1 on Friday. Sunil Chetri scored 2 goals to play a major role in the victory over the country ranked 166th in FIFA rankings. India took the lead in the 24th minute with this goal from Syed Rahim Nabi. This goal was the difference between two teams at half-time. The second half proved to be an intense battle with Maldives showing great vigour to bounce back in the match. The visitors succeeded in drawing parity at the hour mark when Shambil Qasim blasted the ball past Karanjit Singh. After the equalizer, Maldives looked confident and posed threat to the Indian goal before striker Sunil Chetri scored a timely goal from the penalty spot in the 70th minute. India dominated the proceedings in the closing stages and forced home another goal. This time on a fine counter-attack with Chetri applying a neat finish. Bureau Report, Prudent Media. Amogh Desai and Darshan Misal are fast gaining reputation as the brightest young cricketers in the state. Both all-rounders are in good form in the ongoing Kuch Bihar Under-19 cricket tournament. Amogh and Darshan can be fine prospects for the future Ranji Trophy team. Prudent caught up with the duo on the sidelines of the ongoing match against Rajasthan at Porvorim.
Two that you have been looked at are you and Darshan Misal. So, how do you feel when you hear this news?
It feels good, but I try to keep performing. It's up to the selectors to see through however it, So let's see. Let's hope for the best. The best days are gonna come.
How much do you work on your bowling? Because you're primarily a batsman. So how much are you working on your bowling?
Bowling and when team requires me, it's very important for me to play that role. Because as a batsman first, I look forward to take the batting throughout the innings. But the situation comes when there is a necessity of me bowling. So it depends on how the team wants it. So accordingly, I have to work for the team.
Amogh, who is the player you look up to from Goa? Who is your idol from Goan cricket and one from international cricket?
Like Swapnil Asnolkar has always been my idol. He has made us proud in the IPL level as well, and in the domestic level as well. And international, Virendra Sehwag.
This year, I'm getting wickets. Under 95 matches, I got 11 wickets for 1 day, and 22, I got 3 matches, 15. But I'm looking forward as a batsman also because I want some runs behind. I'm a all-rounder in a team. So fitness, I'm working in the off season. I'm working hard on my fitness also.
Okay. Yeah. How are you approaching your career from here? probably you're expecting a Ranji call next year. If you continue performing, you'll be expecting a Ranji call next year. So you're smiling about it. You're very happy about it. What's in your mind right now?
Like this, I want to perform in under 19. Like I want good confidence to play Ranji. So I'll do well in coming matches.
Who's your favorite cricketer you look up to? Not only in India, first from Goa. Who's the role model you have from?
Like international player, I like Daniel Vittori, and Goa is Shatab Jagati, who play for IPL.
Okay. And you hope to don the India jersey one day, because the way you're playing with all-round performances, if you continue, you might reach.
That's my aim. Like for that, I'm playing my cricket.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira and video journalist Prasad Harmalkar from Porvorim. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.